Hello and welcome to Babs's Bakes. Well, everyone knows that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And that's what my programme's all about, you know. Yes, I make recipes that will explode in his mouth, just like my death by chocolate, with a little bit of TNT and a little bit of arsenic. But, you know, I could reach straight for the arsenic, yeah? But I'm not going to. Where's the fun in that? Today, I am going to make an earthy carrot cake. So, now for the ingredients. Ingredients. Now we need some good earthy carrots. Yeah, just like that. Look at that. Oh, there's a bit of cat food. Well, waste not, want not, eh? Let's put it in. Next, we need, eggs. It needs a special ingredient, I think. Yes, a little bit of grub adds texture to the mixture. Right, now, homegrown produce. I mean, what could be better than that? We need a bit of flour. Flour? Oh no, I've got talcum powder. That might be a bit better. Right, that'll do the trick. Ooh, brown sugar and a little bit of something from my nose. He's going to have a real surprise. Now, sous chef, can you pass me the cheese grater? Oh, there it is over there. Can you get it for me, please? Just want to do me feet. Right, that'll add some flavour now. Oh, it's going to be gorgeous. So, yeah, you just have to then. Hold on a minute, let me get my utensils. Have I got a spoon? Right, so I've got my wooden spoon now, sorry about that. So you just mix it all together, like so, and then it's all congealed with all that special ingredients. So, we filled in the mixture. Don't forget to keep those lovely airy bubbles in. That'll make a lovely cake for your loved one. Now, just you wait. I'm going to put it in the oven, and it's going to be 180. And you're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. And then, when it's done, you'll be able to get his choppers around it. Now it's just time for a little drinky boo. Sometimes it's hard to be a woman.